Welcome to the Monthly Budget Planner tutorial. In this lesson, I will guide you through the workbook step by step so you can start using it with confidence. At the bottom of the workbook, you can see the 6 tabs. The easiest order is Setup Guide, Category List, Monthly Budget, Expense Tracker, Income Tracker, and then Dashboard. First, open the Setup Guide. Think of this sheet as your roadmap. It tells you what to do, where to do it, and why each step matters. Nothing is locked, so you can edit the file freely. Next, open Category List. This sheet controls the drop-down options used in the trackers. On the left, keep your spending categories. Next to it, keep your payment methods, such as bank, card, or cash. Now go to Monthly Budget. The yellow cells in the budget column are your main input cells. Type the amount you plan to spend for each category. After you record transactions, the actual, difference, and status columns update automatically. The expense tracker is where you record daily spending. Each transaction uses one row. Start with the date, then choose the category and subcategory. After that, add a short description, choose the payment method, and enter the amount. Let us enter one example. Here we add January 30th, 2026. We choose food, type groceries, write weekly groceries, select card, and enter $86. The month column fills automatically from the date. The income tracker works in a very similar way. Each income item also uses one row. Enter the date, choose the source, add a short description, and enter the amount. Here is one income example. We add January 31st, 2026. Choose freelance, write website project, and enter $650. The month column also updates automatically. Now open the dashboard. This is where the workbook brings everything together. At the top, you can see total income, total expense, net balance, and savings rate. Below, you can review the biggest expense, the budget versus actual table, and the charts. Because we entered one new expense and one new income item, the dashboard updates by itself. Total income rises to $5,550. Total expense becomes $2,456. Net balance becomes $3,094. On the right, the filter panel helps you focus your review. You can filter by year, month, category, or payment method. When the filters are set to all, you see the full picture. When you choose food, the dashboard narrows to food-related spending. To use the workbook smoothly, follow the same routine each month. Review the setup guide, update your categories if needed, enter your budget, record every expense and income, and then check the dashboard. This file works in Excel and Google Sheets. Thank you for watching.